Welcome to the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast, your go-to source for the latest developments, trends, and regulatory changes in the industry. I'm your host, Steve Hamoin, here to provide you with insights sourced from reputable news outlets to help you stay informed and make well-informed decisions. This podcast is brought to you by Real Approved Inc., a trusted mortgage brokerage dedicated to helping Canadians achieve their home ownership dreams. Visit realapproved.ca to learn more about how their experienced team can assist you with your mortgage needs. Let's dive into today's episode. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vancouver housing market, where recent data indicates a notable uptick in home sales last month. According to the Greater Vancouver Realtors, home sales increased by 31.2% on a year-over-year basis in December, marking what some are calling a pivot year for the market. Despite this increase, it's important to note that the 1,765 home sales recorded last month were still 14.9% below the 10-year seasonal average for December. The Real Estate Board also highlighted a rise in newly listed properties, with 1,676 listings, up 26.3% from December 2023. The composite benchmark price now stands at $1,171,500, which is a 0.5% increase from the previous year, although it's slightly down 0.1% from November's level. Andrew Lis, the board's Director of Economics and Data Analytics, pointed out that while sales activity had a slower start to the year, the trends began to rise and eventually stabilized by year's end. He suggests that the renewed strength seen in the data positions the 2025 market to be more active than recent years. In a broader context, British Columbia's latest property assessments showed that values remained generally flat compared to the previous year. The BC assessment noted that prices fluctuated within a narrow range of plus or minus 3% in most communities, including major cities like Vancouver, Victoria, and Kelowna. Specifically, average residential prices in Vancouver were down by 0.8%, with Victoria seeing a 2% decrease and Kelowna dropping by 2.9%. These valuations reflected market conditions as of July 1st, 2024. Looking at the overall picture for 2024, Vancouver area home sales rose by 1.2% compared to the previous year. However, the total transactions of 26,561 were still 20.9% below the 10-year annual sales average. There was a significant increase in listings, with 60,388 properties listed in Metro Vancouver in 2024, which is an 18.7% rise from 2023 and 5.7% above the 10-year annual average. Currently, there are 10,948 homes listed for sale in the region, a 24.4% increase from December 2024 and roughly one quarter above the 10-year seasonal average. Reflecting on 2024, Andrew Lis described it as a pivot year for the market, following the dramatic increases in mortgage rates in the preceding years. With borrowing costs now firmly on the decline, buyers have started to re-emerge after a period of hesitation, and this renewed activity is evident in the more recent monthly data. This shift could potentially lead to a more dynamic market in 2025 as borrowing becomes more accessible. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Ontario Mortgage and Real Estate Insights podcast. We hope you found today's insights valuable as you navigate the world of mortgages and real estate. Before you go, a quick reminder: Real Approved is here to make your mortgage journey smoother. Whether you're buying your first home or refinancing, their experienced team is ready to guide you with personalized support every step of the way. Visit realapproved.ca to get started and take the next step toward achieving your homeownership goals. Catch you next time, and stay informed with the latest industry insights.